What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to build a title suggestion script. And this could be for maybe your videos or anything like that, right? If you're trying to come up with some titles. All right, so to get started, we're going to go ahead and import Wikipedia. That's what we're going to be using to grab title suggestions. So I'm going to go ahead and import Wikipedia. Okay, so once you do that, we're going to go ahead and get the suggestions. So let's go ahead and create this. So I'm going to call it results. Okay. And in here, we're going to go ahead and grab Wikipedia dot search, right? So it's going to search Wikipedia, and what we wanted to search, let's say this is where we're going to be able to add whatever word we want the suggestions to, right? Now, for now, let's skip that part. I'm going to go ahead and hit comma, and I'm going to say results. So it's going to print, it's going to go ahead and grab and add the results in here. Okay. Now it's going to be equal to, and this is where you want to add how many results you want to see, right? Let's say you want 5 different results, right? 5 different words. So I'm going to go ahead and use 5. All right. So once you do this, we're going to go down here and we're just going to print our results. Okay. So let's go to, where is it at? Go to print, and then results. Okay. Actually, we need to rename this. Let's name this result, and this will be result because we want to print this entire thing, not just that. Okay. So here, let's add something like America. Okay. America. I'm gonna go ahead and hit search or run this. Now you can see that we have a bunch of title suggestions right here of United States, North America, South America, Latin America, Northern America. So now we can change this to, let's do Python. Okay, Python, and I'm going to go ahead and run the program. Now we have Python, Monty Python, a bunch of other suggestions. So you can always change this if you want more. You can change this maybe to 7, and let's run this. You see that we're gonna have way more options. We have 7 different options here. Okay. Now, if you want to, make this into, where you do user input, you can just do the input up here where the user can actually add their own input. But this is just kind of like the skeleton of how you can build this. But that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.